Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a website on Weebly. First, you will need to sign up for a Weebly account and choose a plan that fits your needs, whether it's a free option or a paid one offering more features. Next, select a domain name that is easy to remember and represents your brand. Then, pick a template from the hundreds available to start building your site's foundation. Once your template is chosen, it's time to customize. Weebly's intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to easily add text, images, and videos. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand's aesthetic. Remember to add compelling content like blog posts or product descriptions. Optimizing images, perhaps to under 100 kilobytes each, ensures your site loads quickly for all visitors. If you plan to sell online, Weebly offers robust e-commerce features. You can easily add products, manage inventory, and set up secure payment gateways. This allows customers to purchase directly from your site with confidence. After adding all your content and ensuring everything looks perfect, hit the Publish button. Your website will then be live and accessible to millions of potential visitors around the globe. To ensure your site gets found, utilize Weebly's built-in search engine optimization tools. Add meta descriptions and keywords to help search engines understand your content. Monitor your site's performance using the integrated analytics, which can track hundreds of data points like visitor numbers and popular pages. Remember to regularly update your content, perhaps once every 2 weeks, to keep your audience engaged and your site relevant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.